Are you looking for the best workstation keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best workstation keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Roland Phantom 8. The Roland Phantom 8 keyboard is an 88-key semi-weighted synthesizer that offers a seamless workflow and a wide range of authentic electronic and acoustic sounds. With its acclaimed 88-note weighted keyboard and aftertouch, you can enjoy a realistic playing experience with expressive control. The expandable sound engine allows you to create fresh hybrid sounds by combining modern PCM, virtual analog, and a routable analog filter. Additionally, the V-Piano technology provides stunning realism and expression. The Phantom 8 keyboard also comes with a limited edition t-shirt and product registration for added value. Whether you're a professional musician or an aspiring artist, this keyboard is designed to enhance your creativity and deliver exceptional performance. Seamless workflow, authentic electronic and acoustic sounds, realistic playing experience. Number 2. Korg i3 Music Workstation Keyboard. The Korg i3 Music Workstation Keyboard is a powerful and versatile tool for creating, composing, arranging, and performing music. With 790 instrument sounds and 59 drum kits, the keyboard produces high-quality, layered sounds that can be customized or used with the onboard style performance sound sets. The 61 velocity-sensitive keys have 3 touch curves, while the joystick allows real-time pitch bend, vibrato and brilliance during performance. The backlit panel buttons and good-sized screen provide valuable feedback for all functions, and the convenient grand piano sound button quickly returns the keyboard to the setup sound. Produces high-quality and layered sounds. Allows customization of sounds. Provides real-time pitch bend, vibrato, and brilliance through joystick. Number 3. Korg i3 61-key Music Workstation. Experience the power of the Korg i3 Music Workstation. This 61-key keyboard is packed with features that will ignite your creativity. With the ability to group sounds, beats, and parts together, you can easily create complete ready-to-play productions. The velocity-sensing keys provide a responsive playing experience, and the adjustable touch curves allow you to customize the keyboard response to your liking. With nearly 800 instrument sounds and custom drum kits, you'll have endless possibilities for creating unique and professional quality music. The Korg i3 also includes a style performance set for each style, making it easy to switch between different backing sounds. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, the Korg i3 Music Workstation is the perfect tool for unleashing your musical potential. Powerful and versatile. Responsive velocity-sensing keys. Nearly 800 instrument sounds. Number 4. Roland JUNO-DS 61-key Lightweight Synth-Action Keyboard. The Roland JUNO-DS 61-key lightweight synth-action keyboard is a gig-ready instrument with pro sounds, enhanced performance features, and battery-powered operation. It includes all the sounds from the popular JUNO-D, plus newly updated acoustic and electric pianos, additional organs, and other stage essentials. It also features a wave expansion slot for downloading new sound waveforms, a sample import function for playing user wave files, and an intuitive 8-track pattern sequencer. Customers have praised its sound quality, ease of use, and lightweight design. Lightweight and gig-ready. Includes a variety of sounds. Wave expansion slot for downloading new sound waveforms. Sample import function for playing user wave files. Intuitive 8-track pattern sequencer. Number 5. Korg Kross 2-61 Synthesizer Workstation. The Korg Kross 2-61 is a 61-key synth workstation with a Synth-Action key bed. It features step and MIDI sequencers, mic/line inputs, the EDSI sound engine, and an audio recorder. This synthesizer is perfect for musicians who need a versatile and powerful tool for creating and recording music. Versatile and powerful tool for creating and recording music. 61-key Synth-Action keybed for comfortable and responsive playing. Step and MIDI sequencers for easy and intuitive music production. 61-key synth workstation with Synth-Action keybed. Step and MIDI sequencers. Mic/line inputs, black. EDSI sound engine. Audio rector. Number 6. Yamaha Mod X8 Plus 88-key synthesizer workstation. The Yamaha Mod X8 Plus 88-key synthesizer workstation is a powerful and versatile instrument that combines a semi-weighted Synth-Action keyboard with Yamaha's AWM2 and FMX technologies. It also features motion control, a highly customizable synthesizer engine control matrix, and Mod X8, which adds new voices, live sets, and features. Customers have praised the Mod X8 Plus for its incredible sound, lightweight, and mix of vintage and new features. Semi-weighted Synth-Action keyboard. AWM2 and FMX technologies. Motion control and Mod X8. Lightweight and great sound. Mix of vintage and new features.